Hi everybody, it is Sambar again at Desilicious Kitchen. You may be wondering if it is raining sambar here, but this is again another sambar. This is a sambar that is served at Tamil Brahmin weddings. But before that, do not forget to subscribe to our channel Desilicious Kitchen and press the bell icon for notifications. Thank you. To make this sambar, we have taken 1 cup tur dal, washed it well, and transferred it to a pressure cooker and added 3 cups water. And to this, we have added a pinch of asafoetida or hing. Now, 1/4 teaspoon methi seeds and 1/4 teaspoon sesame seed oil. You can add any other oil if you don't have sesame seed oil. And again, a pinch of turmeric powder. Now, we have closed the pressure cooker. Put the lid and wait on it, and in the meanwhile we have taken tamarind the size of a lemon ball, added water to it, and brought it to a boil to extract tamarind juice. And we have taken oil for tempering: mustard seeds, methi seeds of fenugreek seeds, curry leaves, red chili, and asafoetida or hing, salt to taste, good or jaggery 1 tablespoon, and we've taken the following items for roasting and grinding the sambar masala: some oil for roasting the items, tur dal, chana dal, methi dana, dhania, and red chilies for roasting and grinding, and fresh coconut. But this we are not going to roast, we are just going to add it to grind. And in a pan, we have heated some oil. When the oil is hot, we are adding some chana dal to it. This is 1 tablespoon chana dal, 1 tablespoon tur dal, 2 tablespoon dhania or coriander seeds, half teaspoon methi seeds or fenugreek seeds, 8 to 10 red chilies, lal mirch. Now we are roasting it on a very low flame, taking care not to burn the sambar masala. This is very important that you don't burn the items while roasting. Now we are done roasting and we have switched off the flame and we are transferring it to a plate to cool the ingredients. Now they have cooled and we have taken it in a mixer jar and added fresh coconut to it. Now we are grinding it, adding little water. We have blended it and made this sambar masala. Keep it aside and we are cutting vegetables now. This is okra. Just cut the tips and we have to cut the okras long. We are done with the okras. And next in line is lal bhopla or red pumpkin. Cut the fibrous part. We have left the skin on. Chop it. And we are taking just 1 tomato. Tomato is optional for this Kalyana sambar, but we have taken 1 tomato, chopped it. And now this is oil for stir frying. Heat oil in a pan. We have given all the proportions in the description box below. Now add okra. Remember, we have washed the okra, dried it well, and then chopped it. This is very important while chopping okra, otherwise it can turn sticky. After 1 minute of roasting it, we are adding hing or asafoetida powder, little turmeric powder, and this is the lal bhopla or red pumpkin. We have added it after the bindi has been nicely roasted. Some curry leaves there. Now in go the tomatoes. Saute it for a couple of minutes. Add some salt just to cook the vegetables. And now add water. When the water comes to a boil, add the tamarind juice that we extracted. Now, after adding the tamarind juice, the mixture has come to a boil. At this juncture, we are adding the ground sambar masala. Mix it well and bring this to a boil. Now add in some jaggery, salt again. We are adding salt at every stage, and now in goes the cooked dal. Again bring it to a boil. Keep the flame on a medium level. Now our sambar is done. We have switched off the flame and we are covering it with a lid while preparing for the tempering. Now heat oil in a pan. When the oil is hot, add mustard seeds or rai dana. Now the mustard seeds have crackled. We have added methi, red chilies, hing or asafoetida, and curry leaves and switched off the flame. Now we are adding this tempering to the sambar. Wow, the sambar is so aromatic. Mix the tempering well and now let us serve the sambar. You can have it with rice, idli, dosa, pongal, whatever. But today we are going to have it with rice and some cabbage stir fry. You can check out the recipe of the cabbage stir fry also in our channel. Look at that sambar. See how nice it looks. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you. See you again with another video. Bye.